Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're excited to introduce a fantastic product that could change the way you clean. If you're tired of constantly buying compressed air cans or struggling to clean those hard-to-reach areas, then you're in the right place. Let's take a look at the KUKIHO Cordless Electric Air Blower, a powerful, rechargeable air duster that's perfect for cleaning keyboards, cars, and even outdoor equipment. Let's get into it. The KUKIHO Air Blower features an impressive 4-speed motor, offering airflow speeds from 35,000 to 100,000 RPM. This powerful blower is designed to tackle even the most stubborn dust and debris. Whether you're cleaning your computer keyboard, your car interior, or air filters, this air blower makes cleaning fast and efficient, removing up to 99% of dust. The ability to adjust the speed makes it a versatile tool for different cleaning tasks, ensuring you get the right amount of power for the job. One of the standout features of this product is its 3,3 mAh rechargeable battery. With up to 120 minutes of continuous use on a single charge, it outperforms most traditional air duster options. Charging is also quick, taking just 2 to 3 hours with the included Type-C fast charging cable. Plus, it has a circuit protection design that ensures safe use every time. Weighing just 123 grams, this cordless blower is incredibly portable and easy to carry. It's not just for cleaning. You can also use it for inflating camping beds, cooling off during hikes, or even as a hair dryer after swimming. The KUKIHO Air Blower is a must-have tool for both home and outdoor use. If you're looking for an efficient, rechargeable, and multi-purpose cleaning tool, the KUKIHO Cordless Electric Air Blower is definitely worth checking out. It's perfect for cleaning, inflating, and more. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our latest reviews. You can find the product link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.